This video wasn't meant to be watched, but if you're hearing this, it's already too late. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine you're just sitting there. Maybe you're scrolling through your phone or grabbing a glass of water. Then, in a heartbeat, less than a blink, everything just stops. Not an explosion, not a flash of light, just gone. The atoms in your hands, the walls of your room, the very ground beneath your feet, they simply cease to exist. No pain, no warning, just a total instantaneous rewrite of reality itself. And the most terrifying part? It could have already started. Somewhere out there, at the edge of the cosmos, the end is racing toward us at the speed of light. This isn't a movie plot. This is the false vacuum decay, the ultimate cosmic delete button. And today, we're going to talk about why scientists are quietly terrified that we are living on a ticking time bomb. To understand how the entire universe could just vanish, we need to talk about stability. Picture a ball sitting on top of a steep, jagged hill. It's unstable, right? One tiny nudge, one breath of wind, and it rolls down. Now imagine that ball sitting at the very bottom of a deep, quiet valley. That's stability. It has nowhere lower to go. In the world of physics, everything, and I mean everything, wants to be in that valley. We call this the vacuum state. For decades, we felt safe. We believed our universe was resting in that final, stable valley. We thought the laws of gravity and the way atoms hold together were permanent, fixed, eternal. But what if we were wrong? What if we aren't in the valley at all? What if we're actually stuck on a tiny, fragile ledge halfway down the mountain? A false vacuum. The danger is hidden in something called the Higgs Field. It's the invisible fabric that gives everything in the universe its mass. But in 2012, when scientists finally caught a glimpse of the Higgs Boson, they found something unsettling. The data suggests that the Higgs field isn't stable. It's trapped, like a ball stuck in a small crack on a mountainside. But physics has a terrifying trick called quantum tunneling. It's a freak accident where a particle just slips through a barrier it shouldn't be able to cross. If that happens to the Higgs field, a tiny bubble of true vacuum would form. And inside that bubble, the laws of physics as we know them are dead. This bubble would expand outward at the speed of light, incinerating, crushing, and unmaking every single atom in its path. It wouldn't just kill us. It would erase the very memory of matter. Here is the nightmare. Because this bubble moves at the speed of light, you can't see it. You can't hear it. If the decay started 5 minutes ago near the sun, we're already dead. We just haven't felt the impact yet. There is no shield. There is no bunker deep enough. There is no escape. It is the perfect silent predator of the cosmos. Astronomers actually have a name for it. They call it the ultimate ecological catastrophe. It's a clean slate, a total reset. Maybe other universes have already collapsed this way, leaving behind nothing but an absolute terrifying void. We are all just living on a thin sheet of cosmic glass, waiting for the first crack to appear. We like to look up at the stars and think they're eternal, but science is whispering a different story. It tells us that our entire existence might just be a beautiful, lucky accident. A fragile house of cards in a universe that doesn't owe us a single second of stability. So, here is the question that keeps physicists awake at night. If the universe started to collapse right now, and you had exactly 10 seconds left to say one final thing to the person you love most, what would it be? Don't just think it. Write it in the comments below. Let's see what actually matters when the universe ends.